How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's ramble, it's going to be very quick. I suppose every time I say I'm going to be quick, I talk and talk and talk, but I try to keep this quick. What time is it now? It's 10 to 7, Monday evening, and it's a spur of the moment thing, but the last hour or so, I'm just thinking, I'm going to challenge myself to a 7-day vlog. I'm going to put a vlog up every single day, just to get into the routine. I know I've done a 30-day vlog one time before, burnt me out. Far more difficult than I thought, but I'm trying to do a 7-day one, and this is going to be day one of it, to let you know. But first of all, can I start off by thanking you all so much about all your lovely comments and support on the last video when I was talking about the homeless person passed away. I really appreciate it, and I appreciated all the messages that you sent me privately and also publicly, and all you guys who viewed it and shared it, and also on my Facebook page. The response has been phenomenal. It's great to create an awareness. It certainly created an awareness in me. But what I want to do is just to fill you in. So it's Monday. I've went and had a meeting with a friend who has worked with the homeless. Got a bit of her advice, took it on board. Several of you guys have sent me messages, and we're going to be working on a few ideas with it, so watch this space. I also then went to an amazing organisation here in Belfast called the Welcome Organisation, and they work with the homeless. Just absolutely phenomenal, and the services that they provide are second to none, and they've just recently opened a wee shop beside it. So I went in, introduced myself, done a wee bit of a shout out for them, put it on my Facebook page. I give them a card. I've offered my services, tell them free of charge to do some photography, maybe teach some workshops, and also help them with PR and also videoing. They're very interested in it, and I'm going to be following that up. So that's just a wee update today. I've got a few ideas I'm going to be working on to help get the message out here about homelessness and user creativity. And I'm also going to be doing something, hopefully, with you guys, and a wee bit of a talk in a minute with one of you guys. You know who you are, and just watch this space. So guys, what have I been doing? Obviously last week was ended in a bad way, because that young lad, I think he was only in his 30s, he passed over. I have been taking photographs, and remember I was kindly gifted a lens, the Nikon 18 to 140, I believe it was 18 to 140, and I've been taking photographs with it, and I'm going to be doing an in-depth test for you. But here's a couple of wee photographs here on the screen. I've seen these guys walking up, and I say the guy with the beard, it was just like an instant shot. For some reason I just glanced over and I seen the two beards. I shoot manual, so I had the lighting already set up, and I just raised it up and I got the shot. Now you can clearly see that, I'll put this up, you can clearly see that they're out of focus, yet the advertisement wasn't. Now obviously he hasn't got a baldy head. I just like the beard. Did it work? I don't know. I don't think so, because it would have been better if he was in focus. There'd be juxtaposition between, not about the colour of the guy's skin, but I'm just saying it's more so the beard. And I just think it's funny that both of them are sort of smiling. But just after I took that, I was looking up the street and I seen a group. Let's see if we get this going here. I seen this group here, they were starting to hug each other. And obviously one person hugging, and then a second person hugged. So I knew that they were all going to get hugs. So I started taking photographs, hoping to get the shot, because it was such a happy vibe. Second shot there. Probably put this up to full screen, see if it makes any difference. I say these were taken with the new Nikon lens I've got there. He's sort of seeing me here, just like that. Let me see. Once again, these are all shot in manual and single frames. I can see this guy's coming around. He's got his arms outstretched, so I'm sort of waiting. This guy here still in an embrace. Look at the happiness here. What a lovely group of friends. And I think this next shot is the shot that I really like. Let me know what you think too, guys. And I think it's just a lovely shot. In my opinion, it's a lovely shot because it's captured friendship. It's captured a moment. I'd love to know what was said between these two ladies here. The four ladies, but obviously clearly something has been said. This guy here, look at the love he's giving out, man. What a lovely group of friends. So basically, I'm going to keep this pretty quick. So what I've done is, I'm going to be doing daily vlogs for 7 days. I just want to get into the routine again. I'm going to go more in depth on the lens that I've been using, and also just vlogging. So 7 days. I don't intend to do it any longer than 7 days. I'm just trying to get the momentum going. I'm hopefully going to get them up every night at 7 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. You work it out wherever you are in the country. And I don't know what's going to be on them, but I'm going to try to keep them short and sweet. But listen, guys, thank you all so much for being on this journey with me. I hope you are having a fantastic day and fantastic week ahead. You know, as I say, I appreciate all your comments, all your support, all your thumbs up, all your shares, all your likes. I just really appreciate you being here with me. So guys, listen, day 1 of the 7-day vlog. I send you love from Belfast. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a fantastic week ahead.